Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be healthy and safe at home and enjoying your online classes. Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes and having fun. So, I am here with an interesting thing which you are going to make is an origami envelope. And this is not just an interesting and fun to make, but it is also very useful. And once you learn to make it, you can actually surprise your parents by gifting it. For that, you have to listen it very attentively. So let's start with an origami envelope. Material required is take a square sheet paper and one Fevi-stick. Now let's start. Step 1. Take a square sheet paper, turn it sideways like this, and we need a center point over here. For the center point, we have to fold the paper from top to bottom like this. Join it with the edges and press it very properly. Which shape it forms? It forms triangle. Now move ahead to the second step. Fold it from the left side to the right. Like this. And press it gently. Have you done that? And then unfold it. What will you find here? Yes, it's a center point. Center point is very important for making an envelope. In this paper, we are having 4 corners. One at the left side, one at the right side, one at the top, and one at the bottom. Now move ahead to the third step. You have to fold the left corner and place it slightly beyond the center like this. Press it very gently. And similarly, from the right side you have to fold it and bring it away from the center. Now stick it like this. Now step 4. Now fold the bottom side like this. Once you have done this, place the glue on the left side as well as on the right side. And then fold it like this. And now that looks a little complete. Now move ahead to the step 5. Now what you have to do is, you have to fold the top side like this. And you don't have to place the glue over here. Once you put the card in it, then you have to place the glue. Now that's look perfect envelope. Let me suggest you something. You can make it even attractive. If you want to gift it, maybe on some occasion, simply put the sticker. I am having the sticker I am putting the sticker over here. If you don't have a sticker, you may put sequins like this. I have put in this envelope. You can put the sequins. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.